Good afternoon, dear students. Today we are going to start exercise 4.3, question number 1, first part, second part, third part and fourth part. See the basic of this exercise. We have to construct the quadrilaterals in which two adjacent sides and three angles are given. Two adjacent sides and three angles are given. First part, rough figure. See the question number 1. What is question number 1? Construct the following quadrilaterals. First part, quadrilateral MORE, M-O-R-E. MO equal to 6 cm, OR 4.5 cm, angle M 60 degree, angle O 105 degree, angle R 105 degree. So see the solution of this question. In this quadrilateral there are two sides given and three angles given. So see the rough figure, MORE, in which MO 6 cm, OR 4.5 cm, angle M 60 degree, angle O 105 degree, angle R 105 degree. So first of all we have to draw a line segment OR, that is 4.5 cm. Now at point O we will draw 105 degree angle by using compass. You can draw it. Now B will cut one arc at 6 cm distance which intersect this ray at point M. Now we will draw an angle of 60 degree at point M and we will draw a ray M F, and here at point R we will draw an angle of 105 degree by using compass and we will draw the ray R X which intersect to each other at point E. Now it is your required quadrilateral MORE. Now we have to see its second part. See the second part, quadrilateral PLAN, in which PL equal to 4 cm, LA 6.5 cm, angle P 90 degree, angle A 110 degree, angle N 85 degree. See the rough figure. Second part, rough figure PLAN, in which PL 4 cm, LA 6.5 cm, AN not given, angle P is 90 degree, angle A is 110 degree, angle N is 85 degree. Now first of all we have to find angle L. We know that sum of four angles of a quadrilateral equal to 360 degree. Therefore angle P plus angle L plus angle A plus N, angle N equal to 360 degree. Put the value. So P equal to 90 degree, angle L we have to find, angle A equal to 110 degree plus angle N 85 equal to 360. Implies that angle L equal to 360 minus इन तीनों एंगल्स का सम इट विल बी 285. तो प्लस 285 इधर जाएगा तो माइनस 285, यहाँ हमने थोड़ा डायरेक्ट कर दिया इसको, इक्वल टू 75 डिग्री. नाउ you can construct this quadrilateral by using the method used in first question. Now see the third part of this question, that is parallelogram HEAR. Yani you have to construct the parallelogram HEAR in which HE equal to 5 cm, EA equal to 6 cm, angle R equal to 85 degree. So see the rough figure of third part, rough figure HEAR, HE 5 cm, EA 6 cm, angle R 85 degree. We know that the pair of opposite sides and angles are equal in parallelogram. Therefore AR equal to EH equal to 5 cm and angle E equal to angle R, angle E equal to angle R, these are opposite angles. So angle E equal to angle R equal to 85 degree. Now we will construct it first of all we have to draw the line segment EA of 6 centimeter. At point E we will draw a ray making an angle of 85 degree. तो 85 डिग्री का एंगल यू कैन कंस्ट्रक्ट इट बाई डी यानी प्रोट्रैक्टर. तो इस तरीके से ये हो गई आपकी रे. नाउ बी विल कट एट 5 सेंटीमीटर एन आर्क दैट विल बी पॉइंट एच. नाउ टेकिंग एच एज सेंटर एंड ऑफ रेडियस 6 सेंटीमीटर we will draw an arc, and also taking A as center and of radius 5 centimeter we will draw another arc which intersect to each other at point R. Now join HR and AR. Now triangle HEAR is the required parallelogram. Now we have to see the fourth part of this question. See the fourth part in your book. What is it? Rectangle OKAY in which OK equal to 7 centimeter and KA equal to 5 centimeter. So you have to construct the rectangle OKAY. So in fourth part you can construct the fourth part by using property of rectangle. Now you can complete exercise 4.3 in your fair register by using pencil, compass and D. Thank you and have a nice day.